Hello and welcome to the Battery Magazine. So today we are here at India Energy Storage Week event day 1 and we are here at Belding booth. Today we have with us Mr. Nikhil Bhuta, Director of Belding India Ltd. Welcome sir, welcome to the interview.
Thank you.
So please tell us, shed some light on Belding India Ltd and what products you have brought to IESW today.
Yes, so Madam, Belding India Limited is primarily an original equipment manufacturer. So we are an OEM for the BESS industry. We are one of its kind because we are not just providing a complete BESS solution, but we are also providing various components which kind of integrates the entire BESS solution. So all those components are manufactured in-house, indigenously, at our factory at Pune, which is spread across some 9 acres of land, and we have kind of set it across in a place called Khed city in Pune. We have here demonstrated 2 products. One is primarily a product which is battery energy storage solution part of it, which is containerized format, which is here, which you see on back of it. And we have also come up with another product which is basically a kind of a hybrid product where we are also providing DG set and a BESS as a power backup solution, which is a hybrid product which is one of its kind, where we have a DG set, which is a diesel generator, and also BESS combined into one product in a containerized format again. So these are the 2 products which we have displayed here. And like I said, we are an OEM for the industry, and that's how we like to kind of market and position ourselves going forward.
So how is your BESS systems are different in terms of design, reliability and performance and safety?
So, madam, obviously the BESS system, it is not different in a sense from the others, but basically what difference that we are bringing is that majority of the component of our system is indigenous, in a sense, except for the batteries, which obviously we don't have a solution right now for the Indian market, and we have to import it. Otherwise, then for battery, all the products are indigenously developed, manufactured or assembled. So that is a big difference that we are bringing in. We have a large manufacturing setup where we are not just assembling the entire BESS product, but we are also fabricating and manufacturing other components within that manufacturing setup in Pune itself.
So, sir, what is Belding India's USP? Can you please shed some light on that part?
Yeah, so like I said, madam, Belding India's USP is that number one, we are an OEM. So we are not competing with any BESS players. We are rather a solution provider to each and every BESS players in the market, whether it is an EPC, whether it is any specific project developers, whether it is an IPP company, or whether it is a DISCOM. We are a solution provider to them. So in that sense, we are an OEM. And like I said, another important aspect is that majority of the products is indigenous. So being an OEM and being indigenous, that is the USP that we carry.
So what role does engineering play in reliable BESS?
So it's obviously not directly in terms of, in BESS, obviously the majority component is your battery, right? But at the end of the day, those battery needed to be kind of, put together in a overall situation so that you are able to kind of maintain your safety from fire aspect, for your cooling technologies and other related infrastructure has to be there duly, properly kind of integrated. And again, at the end of the day, to make it more modular, you also have to make it in a containerized format or in an enclosed format. And that is where the engineering and fabrication works also comes in. And those things also we carried out internally in-house.
Okay, coming to that point only, we are getting more, we are generating more and more renewable energy, electricity. So we need BESS eventually for that. We are scaling up. So for the safety part and for the thermal part, so do you think that our government should bring some rules for the safety of BESS? And what should that be?
Obviously, a lot of standards should be brought in. A lot of SOPs should be specified. A lot of certification should be mandatorily prescribed. So, or any also very specific rules should be laid down for disposal, for safety related standards, etc. Yes, we have ISO standards already prescribed, but there should be specific standard which we should study the global industry for the BESS, which is fairly evolved in the European, US, and the some part of the Southeast Asian market. We should study them, and the government should come out with a comprehensive rule book, or comprehensive guidelines on how do we maintain the safety parameters, how do we maintain the certification standards, and unless otherwise those aspects are not appropriately taken care of, growing this industry with utmost professional approach would become difficult. And so hence it is necessary that if we can get these certifications, SOPs, guidelines, procedures very well defined through the government.
Yeah, impressive, sir. So where are you seeing our energy storage curve going in the next 5 years?
Listen, madam, I mean, at the end of the day, energy is the need of, for every aspect, every walk of life that we, deal with. Renewable energy is a significant part of it, and our country has done, tremendously well in growing the renewable energy, the scale. Today, probably we are, as we were kind of listening in the morning with the inaugural session, that, the Indian government and the Indian industries have almost achieved like 50% of its energy requirement through renewable energy resources. Now, the major challenge in the renewable energy resources, the generation and utilization, the consumption, there is a gap. That gap is happening because generation may be peaking at some time while the demand might not be peaking at other time, and that gap can only be bridged through the storage, and hence there is an absolute need for battery energy storage solutions. And with these solutions we'll be able to not wasting the generated energy, but that will indirectly stop generating additional energy.
Yeah.
So in that sense, this is a very unique proposition that all our industries, government authorities should very aggressively focus and promote. And we believe that with the introduction of BESS, the effective utilization of renewable energy would become more efficient than otherwise.
So, sir, as we all can see, energy storage is the buzzword right now. So, how is Belding India contributing to that factor, as well as what new innovations in the coming future we can expect from Belding India?
So, with regards to our contribution in the energy storage solutions, we have set up a factory in Pune, which is 3 gigawatt hour capacity factory, and we have a capability to further expand it. We are already planning to expand it beyond 10 gigawatt already, and we believe that going forward this capacity would require to be further strengthened up. So that's primary contribution that we already have this plant operational in Pune. Apart from that, like I said, that we are looking at various technology which could probably various chemistry which could be used and replace lithium-ion batteries, or how do we kind of create those technology indigenously, or do tie up with those foreign partners and create those technology within our country, so that we can rather get that independence for creation of the batteries, and like I said, and also more more in a safe manner, like you were mentioning about the safety aspects. We need to look at alternate to lithium-ion batteries, where the safety protocols are more stringent as compared to the other chemistry that one can use.
Just to get some insight on this technology part, we all know that lithium ion is the king right now. So for the most safer option, what chemistry would you recommend, or you are doing research into?
So ma'am, we have, I mean, I would not like right now to comment on a specific chemistry, but we are obviously evaluating multiple of them. Like you rightly said, lithium ion is right now, we don't have an alternate to it, considering the scale and the size at which it is already been tested and approved worldwide. But we are obviously, like I said, world over there are a lot of research happening. We are also very keenly following that, and we are also promoting some of the research with some of the IITians, and some other good scholars out of Europe, that we are trying to promote, and we are trying to find some better chemistries which can be more safer comparatively.
Sir, so any last words for our viewers?
No, I mean, first of all, thank you so much and great work that you're doing through this magazine. And, we believe that magazine like yours with so much of information about the industry that you can gather and spread would really be very helpful. And, I would certainly like to urge every player in the battery energy storage solution side that, try to do a meaningful job. Yes, this is an opportunity. This is a field which is evolving, and rather than rushing and doing a corner cutting, we should be more responsible. At the end of the day, this will help us build our nation better. So while yes, we have to look at it as a business proposition, but we also should be equally responsible in dealing with this industry, which is fairly new for the country.
Thank you for your wise words, sir, and such great insights from your side. We wish you all the very best for this event and for your future. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.